Welcome to Dhara Education. This is Saboni Dhara. This is the continuation part of the last video for this class 7 Mathematics part 2 chapter number 3 HCF and LCM practice set 12. So in the last lecture video we have saw first question. So in this particular video lecture we will going to start with the second, that is 56 and 32. Also I'm going to show you third one, sub question 4 and sub question 5. So the rest 3 questions I will be uploading in the next video. So let's start, students. So it is the second part wherein 56 is the question which we need to write on the right hand side uppermost part. 56 means you need to divide this with 2 because it is a even number. So with this we will get 28. It means that 28 multiplied by 2 gives you 56. Also you can divide 56 by 2. You will get the question as 28. Again 28 can be divisible by 2, that is 2 multiplied by 14 gives you 28. On the other hand, 2 divided by, or you can say 14, how will going to get? By 2 multiplied by 7 gives you 14. And 7 ones are 7. So with this you can see that on the left hand side all the divisible numbers are given. So I wrote here therefore 56 is equals to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 7. So now this is the next number of the question number 2, 32. So 2 16s are 32, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. So with this I have jotted down all the left hand side divisible numbers, that is 32 is equals to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. Now move on. Now by comparing both the things, what we are getting all in common is 2, 2, 2. So similar common factors are 2. So 2 multiplied by 2 gives you 4 and 4 multiplied by 2 gives you 8. So the HCF of 56 and 32 is equals to 8. Now this is the another question, that is 40, 60 and 75. So 40, 60, 75 means altogether we will going to divisible, or you can say we will going to solve this 3 altogether. So this all will going to, the first 2 table can be divisible by 2 as it is 40 and 60, and it comes in the table of 2. 2 20s are 40 and 2 30s are 60. But on the other hand, the last table 75, as it is an odd number, so it can be divisible by 3 or 5. So the lowest we will going to take first, that is 3. So here what we are saying, 3 25s are 75 and 2 30s are 60 and 2 20s are 40. Again this can be divisible with the extremely in a different criteria, like 2 10s are 20, 2 15s are 30 and 5 5s are 25. So 10, 15 and 5. This also we can divisible by 2 5s are 10, 3 5s are 15 and 5 1s are 5. Moreover, we can further calculate 5 number first 2 columns, that is 5 1s are 5. Here what we are getting the end of the sum. So all the left hand side divisible numbers we need to jot down together as shown in the below table, that is 40 is equals to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5. 60 is equals to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. And 75 is equals to 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. So if we can see the common factors among these three is only 5. This is the fourth one, that is 16 and 27. So 2 divided by 16, you will get 8. That is 2 8s are 16 and 3 9s are 27. 2 4s are 8. 3 3s are 9. 2 2s are 4 and 3 1s are 3. So this is what it is written over here. So 16 is equals to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1. 27 is equals to 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 1. So among these two tables, as you can see on the screen, both are different. In 16 you will find only 2 and in 27 you will only find 3. So there is no similarity, there is no common numbers. So that is why we have to take multiply 1, so that at least 1 will be the common number, wherein we can put that HCF of 16 and 27 is equals to 1. Move on to the next question, that is question number 5. 18, 32 and 48 all together. So by divisible by 2, because these three all are the numbers which is of common, that is even. So that is why we have to divisible by 2. 2 9s are 18, 2 16s are 32 and 2 24s are 48. 3 3s are 9. 2 8s are 16 and 2 12. So here we have to divide 9, like 3 3s are 9, 2 8s are 16 and 2 12s are 24. 3 1s are 3, 2 4s are 8, 2 6s are 12. Now the first table is done. The second two tables we need to understand, that we need to solve till the end of 1. So 2 2s are 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are 6. Later on 2 1s are 2 and 3 1s are 3. So with this we have completed this sum as well. Over here you can understand that all the left hand side divisible numbers we have jot down, that is 18 is equals to 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. 32 is equals to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. 48 is equals to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. So which gives the common factors in these all three is only 2. So the HCF of 18, 32 and 48 is equals to 2. So thank you so much for watching this video. The next video will be uploaded very soon. Thank you so much for your precious time. Have a nice day.